Hello, it's Martin. It's time to upgrade my network. So, I bought this Nighthawk Netgear Nighthawk router. I thought, yes, this has everything I need. It has all the ports I need, and it's been great. I've had this for 4 years, and it might as well be a paperweight at this point. Very heavy paperweight. I've had so many issues with this. I've had random shutdowns. I've had issue with software. I have no idea if it was a BIOS problem. I updated it like I should have done. 2 years straight. It was just shutting down. I've had phone calls from the wife saying it's not working anymore. I told her, here's the solution. You can just fix yourself. Just phone me if there's any problem. So she did that. This is gone for 2 years. I've had enough. Let's get rid of this thing. And let's bring out the big guns. Dream Machine Pro, and what a beast it is. This is such an amazing kit. Now, confession time, this is the second time I'm doing this video. First time wasn't so good, so doing the second time, so I've had time to review this. Wow, that's all I'm saying. Now, if you've never heard of a Dream Machine Pro, now this has 3 parts in it that is all into one. So let's go with 3 parts. It has our switch, non-powered. Let's recommend that. Let's tell you straight now, it's non-powered switch. Battery doesn't die. It has our unified controller, and it has a firewall in one. Now, they didn't send this care package to me. They literally, I bought this for my own money, and this wasn't cheap. Let's tell you this now, but hopefully this is a solution that I need, and it's been great. So, oh, it's upside down. So, why did I pick this monster of a thing? And boy, is it heavy. Now, it has its 1U. So, if you don't know that, if you haven't seen my networking videos, excuse me. So this is a 1U. So if you've ever seen my server cabinet video, I'll have a reshot of it now. Right, I'll have a full picture and what you know, it's a rack mounted. Sorry. It's rack mounted. So all this does is go into my rack, which is great. That needs filling up. So this is part of my filling up. So this is part of my filling up. Fill this up. So I mentioned why it doesn't have power internet. Now there is a version 2 coming up out of this very soon, but I don't know when that's coming out. And honestly, there's been so many rumors. There's so many different rumors when it comes out, and I could have waited, but I had to peel that bandage off my thing, because I've been waiting for this, to buy this for a long time. Now, why did I buy this over every other router in the world? I like its interface. The interface is really good. I've actually played around with it for a while now, so I can tell you the interface has been great. It also has the stuff I need for my VLANs, because I have certain networks in my house that I want to test with. Especially if I'm doing stuff with videos, I like to put them on a separate network, so it's not interfering with my network. So it's been great for testing purposes. So it has this all built in. It has a hard drive right here, where you can literally pick out the hard drive, which is great. Of course, it doesn't go back in. There we go, it's in now. So yeah, it's been a great machine. I really like it. Now they do a smaller version of it. I'll have a short picture of it now. That has also got the Wi-Fi access point. This doesn't have it. This is not access point. Stay tuned, and that will be coming soon as well. And I'll show you that as well. Yeah, this is a really long order. I made this video, then made another video, and then this film was back. But well, like I'm digressing now. Should you recommend buying this? Because this is enterprise gear for home use. It's overkill, but it's not the point. If it does all your solution, which I'm hoping it does, well, I thought about this as this same product, and I wouldn't recommend this if someone says, "Oh, you want to buy a router? Don't buy this. It's rubbish." Sorry, I'm just chuck it. Don't buy that. It's rubbish. So, should you spend your cash on this? Yes and no. If it does everything you need, buy it. If you've got the rack mounted, buy it. And you wouldn't regret that decision. I watched enough YouTube videos to say, buy this. It costs a lot of money, as I said. It wasn't cheap, but if you want to spend the money, please spend it right and spend it once. Should you buy the smaller version? Now, I haven't got the smaller version here. I don't think they'll send me it over, but if you know someone who has one and wants to send to me, I'll review it. Go for it. I'll review it. It's probably the same interface as this, or you could YouTube what it looks like. So, yeah. This isn't... So the question, another question that I'm going to answer. Why am I not using the broadband provider one? They don't do networking. They have no idea. The only thing I use that for is so I can connect to the web. Only thing. If you want to go deep into networking, this is what you need to get. The one you get from your provider, I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it does everything you need. If you want to tinker, you can tinker with this. Sure, you can tinker with that, but they don't know what they're talking about. I'm sure they do, but they're lying. Get the big companies. Well, Netgear is a big networking company. I do recommend Netgear, but I don't recommend the Nighthawk at all. This is enterprise networking stuff, so I thought, why not? So, stay tuned for some of the next, because this is going to be 3 parts of my video. So, next part will be, I think I'm talking about my switch that I bought for the power over network, and I think part 3 is for my access point, which I need a... So these are the 3 points of my networking. I'm upgrading my entire networking, and I'm starting with this. So before I babble on too long and repeating myself as I normally do, I'm going to end this video now. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.